Let's go take a look. Let me grab that glove. There's two Mizuno ones with the M's on them. Yeah.
Pink one?
No, one in front of it.
This one?
Yeah. Grab that one real quick. Grab the one in the front real quick.
This one? Or this one? This one, Dad?
Yeah. How much on the gloves?
He wants $10 a piece.
Okay. Think about that. What do you see over here? Those are neat. Yeah. Where did you go? Oh, you're behind me. Looks like the one we just had. What's that? I don't know. How much on the putter?
$10.
Okay. Trying to think. I think I already have the dual force though. I think it's the same two we have. Just looking here real quick. Okay. Been busy today?
Not really.
Really?
We really had a bunch of people now.
How much on the game?
The handheld
Yeah.
games, I think they were $5 apiece.
Okay.
That's what they call a sky caddy. It's for golfers.
Okay.
And something about you can record.
When you hit and stuff?
Yeah, something like that.
Huh. What's he asking on that?
Okay.
I don't know if I've ever heard of that one.
$20.
I might have to text my wife on that one.
Yeah, he's on his way home, so some of the stuff he can
Oh, that's
explain about, he actually can show you how to work it.
Sky Caddy SG3. Hey, let me go grab my phone real quick, okay? Yeah, that actually does the same. Yeah, softball. It actually does the same thing as the golf watch I have.
Oh, okay.
I have a watch that tracks all my shots too, so. There's a lot of people out at different stops. Beaver's having their yard sale today.
Yeah.
The place is downtown Beaver's packed. How much on the games, or does it vary?
It varies because he had done a price check and did under
Okay.
to like beat the prices, so each game is marked differently.
That's fine.
But we have it all written down, so because he didn't want to lowball himself and he didn't want to rob anybody else, and that's the way to be.
Yep, that makes sense. Keep it fair. Which one? Dewey? Yeah, the DS games have been popular.
Oh yeah. You're looking at the 3DS ones?
Oh, there's one 3DS and then one DS.
You didn't. I thought you had Yuki. Oh, my heart stopped.
Hey guys, if you made it this far already, please hit that thumbs up down below and also leave a comment. It helps out the channel so much when you guys comment and hit that thumbs up. Now back to the footage.
What do we got on these two?
The Pokemon White 2. Okay. 15 bucks.
Okay.
And
Art Academy.
Art Academy, 15 bucks.
So what was the first one? How much was
15.
So 30. So
Yeah.
30 for total.
Yeah. What was Yu-Gi-Oh?
Trying to see if I need these ones.
He's supposed to be on his way home, so. Yeah. He said it wasn't too bad. My husband works in Green Tree every day.
There's a ton of traffic out here at the intersection at Broadhead where the church is.
Okay.
It was like, we sat there for a while. It was just, I don't know what was going on. How about on the PlayStation 2, Yu-Gi-Oh?
I think that was only once that I remember. That's why it's all written down.
Hey, that's what you gotta do sometimes.
Oh yeah, like I said, because one year we had a yard sale where we used to live, and we sold something, and the guy got out of there real quick.
It was worth a lot more.
It was worth $150, and he got it for 20 bucks. And he was driving one of those sports cars where the door lifts up.
We went to a yard sale last weekend, and we pulled up, and
But
I mean
now
they had a stack of DS games, and
we're okay. You said Yu-Gi-Oh.
yeah, Capsule something.
Yeah, I think there were 2 of those same
Oh,
ones.
oh, is there?
$5 each.
Is there another one?
Another one somewhere?
Oh yeah, there actually is.
Yeah,
You said 5 each?
yep, that's what's written here. And you'll have to cross the things off.
Did you lose the thing that was in there?
No, the markers there, you have to cross them off as you sold.
How much on the VHS?
The VHS tapes. 50 cents
Okay.
a piece.
No one really knows what these ones are anymore.
If you get into Yu-Gi-Oh, there's Yu-Gi-Oh pins.
Oh really? I just noticed I just had a bunch of DVDs too.
One pin has cards in it and the other one's empty.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't do the cards.
Yeah, they're just kind of buried in there. Dad's acting like he's looking too.
He's probably saying, you didn't do things too good.
What do we got? Okay.
Okay.
I think we were at, what was it, 40 for these?
Yeah.
And $3 there.
Okay.
So 70, 43. Make sure these things don't stick. These things were like brand new. I was like, I couldn't believe the ATM did that to me. I just had to sit there and like ruffle them all up. Perfect. We all good?
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Hey guys, welcome to this haul video. As you see from the footage, we went to an estate sale and then we found a garage sale on our way home. So me and the middle Yinzer went to those. We weren't expecting to go to the garage sale. You can go on camera.
It's cold over there.
I know.
So I'll show you what we found. We did find the TV, which is still in the back of the car, so I'm not going to show that again because you did see that on camera. But at the garage sale, we found a bunch of VHS tapes. Pokemon totally, I don't know what that is. I found Dragon Ball Z, The History of Trunks, Pikachu's Winter Vacation, Dragon Ball Z, The Curse of the Blood Rubies.
What?
And Yu-Gi-Oh! The movie. I found 2 copies of those. They wanted 50 cents each for those, so that was $3. And when we first got to the yard sale, I started asking some prices, and everything seemed really high. But, so they had some games, and I was like, well, I'll see what they want for these. And I was trying to stay away from games today. But the first game we found was the Pokemon White version 2. So I asked them what they wanted for it. They said $20. Well, they said that they looked all these prices up, but this game with the case and the book go for over $100, and everything's in there. So the second one was a Nintendo 3DS game, Pokemon Art Academy. It doesn't have the book. That's okay. This game still does sell. And then I found the first one was a Yu-Gi-Oh! Capsule Monster Coliseum. I'm not big into Yu-Gi-Oh! I don't even know what Yu-Gi-Oh! is. But then the kid said, oh, we have 2 of them. So I got these for $5 each. So both these ones, I forget what they go for. But these 2 were $20 each. No, $20 each, or 20, 10, 5 each. And then the game. So it cost me $43 total. I think I'll make one of those. I think I'll make that back at least on this. But these are, I think these ones are high too. So but that's what we found there. So I think that was a really good yard sale slash estate sale haul. So remember guys, hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification, and share it. We're close to our total of our first goal of 100. But let's keep going higher. So until next time guys, we'll see you later. Bye.